Myself Dr. Sagar Gaikwad. I am a consultant radiation oncologist working with Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Dombivli, Thane. Cancer survivors are celebrated in the month of June, and in accordance to that, we want to celebrate the cancer survivors at Asian Institute of Medical Sciences. In order to increase the cancer survivorship, we would like to increase the cancer awareness, and for that, we are going to have this talk. I will be talking about cancers in females, and as we all know that 1/3 of malignancies in all females are preventable, 1/3 we can detect early, and the rest 1/3 are totally curable if they are treated properly. So we will talk about the breast cancer first, which is the most common malignancy in females. Every year we get around 1,50,000 new breast cancer cases. Most of them are locally advanced, which results into more than 70 to 80,000 cancer deaths due to CA breast in females. Danger sign every woman should look for is any lump in breast or axilla, any nipple discharge, any change in skin, or any ulcer over the skin. One of the biggest myths in case of breast cancer is that people believe that it's always familial, but it is wrong. Only up to 5% of breast cancer cases are familial. In order to reduce the risk of breast cancers, females should take care of their body weight. Obesity is a big risk factor for malignancy. Breastfeeding should be encouraged. Your weight should be appropriate to your age. Other comorbidities like blood pressure and diabetes are also contributory to breast malignancies, so they need to be taken care. Nutrition also plays an important role. So high fiber diet, low fatty diet is also strongly recommended. Every female should be self-aware. They should do breast self-examination at least once in a month. If she detects any suspicious lump or any skin change or any nipple discharge, she should seek physician's opinion. Other weapon which helps us to fight against this malignancy is breast cancer screening with the help of yearly mammogram in every female over the age of 35. Cervical cancer is the second most common malignancy found in females. We contribute to almost 1 lakh new cancer cervix cases all over the world, and we witness almost 60,000 cervical cancer related deaths. The root cause for carcinoma cervix is HPV infection. It takes almost 10 to 20 years for a pre-invasive cervical HPV infection to become a malignant one, and this gives us an ample time to screen, early detect and treat HPV infection. In order to reduce the risk of carcinoma cervix, there are certain lifestyle changes which can help. Is follow a proper genital hygiene, have a good nutrition and good immunity, and along with that they should stay away from addiction like smoking. Cervical cancer can be avoided by HPV vaccination, and it can be early detected with the help of pap smears. Cancer survivors should follow up regularly with their treating doctors. They should have a nutritious diet and stay away from addiction. We would like to congratulate all the cancer survivors. Thank you.